Why is Filipino food popular? Filipino cuisine is popular for its delicious taste and appetizing aroma. You can easily tell apart Filipino food from other cuisines due to its color and the manner it is served to. Its distinctive colors, aroma, and flavors result in a full sensory experience with each bite. There are many Filipino food you should try at least. In this presentation, we are going to tackle all of it one by one. And I hope after this presentation, you can have an idea what dishes you should cook and serve to your table for your family and your loved ones, and enjoying it eating together. The first one is adobo. Philippine adobo is a popular Filipino dish and cooking process in Philippine cuisine that involves meat, seafood, or vegetables, marinated in vinegar, soy sauce, garlic, bay leaves, and black peppercorns, which is browned in oil and simmered in the marinade. Next one is lumpia. Lumpia is various type of spring rolls commonly found in the Philippines and Indonesia. Lumpia are made of thin paper-like or crepe-like pastry skin called lumpia wrapper, enveloping savory or sweet fillings. It is often served as an appetizer or snack and might be served deep-fried or fresh. Then the next one is chicken inasal. Chicken inasal, commonly known simply as inasal, is a variant of the Filipino chicken dish known as lechon manok. It is chicken marinated in a mixture of calamansi, pepper, coconut vinegar, and anato, then grilled over hot coals while basted with the marinade. Pancit bihon or pancit guisado is a Filipino noodle dish and is a staple second to rice. This was brought by the Chinese and was licensed then. This pancit bihon recipe uses bihon or rice sticks mixed with pork, chicken, and vegetables. This dish is always served during fiesta, birthday parties, and other special occasions. Sinigang. Sinigang is a dish originated in the Philippines. Typically, it is composed of fish, meat, vegetables, tomatoes, and tamarind flavoring. The reason why it is called sinigang is that it was a translation to the English word stew, which is true because of its method of cooking. Cassava cake. Cassava cake is a traditional Filipino moist cake made from grated cassava, coconut milk, and condensed milk with a custard layer on top. It is a very popular dish in the Philippines where it is commonly eaten for merienda. It is also served during gatherings and special occasions. Arroz caldo is a Filipino chicken rice porridge flavored with sliced ginger, minced garlic, chopped onion, chicken stock, chicken broth cube, and safflower. Arroz caldo is super easy and you can make a warm hearty meal for the whole family. Although arroz caldo is of Chinese origin, the name was actually given by the Spaniards because of pronunciation issues. Chicharron broth to the Philippines from Andalusia in Spain. Chicharron is a dish of deep-fried pork crackling. It is quite similar to the chicharron of Mexico, crunchy rectangles of deep-fried pork rinds. In the Philippines, chicharron is dipped in coconut vinegar instead of salsa. This dish is one of the most popular Philippine foods to eat as a snack with beer. Filipino lechon or roast pig. Lechon is derived from the Spanish word leche, which translates to milk. The origin of the dish used is small young suckling pigs that were still nursing milk from their mothers. As lechon's popularity increased, cooks moved to use bigger pigs. Kinilaw is a raw seafood dish and preparation method native to the Philippines. It is also referred to as Philippine ceviche due to its similarity to the Latin American dish ceviche. Kinilaw is a bright and tangy dish of raw fish marinated in vinegar that's indigenous to the Philippines. Kare-kare is a Philippine stew that features a thick savory peanut sauce. It is generally made from a base of stewed oxtail, beef tripe, pork hocks, calves' feet, pig's feet, or trotters, various cuts of pork, beef, stew meat, and occasionally offal. Flan is a beloved dessert in the Philippines, our twist on the famous baked custard. This recipe marries caramelized sugar with an extra rich, dense, and creamy custard. Unlike the flan that you typically eat in Latin America or Spain, this one contains a dozen egg yolks, plus sugar, evaporated milk, sweetened condensed milk, vanilla extract, and a sprinkle of lemon zest for brightness. Sisig is a Filipino dish made from parts of a pig's face and belly and chicken liver, which is usually seasoned with calamansi, onions, and chala peppers. It originates from the Pampanga region in Luzon. Sisig is a staple of Kapampangan cuisine. Bulalo is a beef dish from the Philippines. It is a light-colored soup that is made by cooking beef chunks and bone marrow until the collagen and fat is melted into the clear broth. It typically includes leafy vegetables, corn on the cob, scallions, onions, garlic, ginger, and fish sauce. Balot is a fertilized developing egg embryo that is boiled and eaten from the shell. It is commonly sold as street food in South China and Southeast Asian countries, notably the Philippines, Cambodia, and Vietnam. The term comes from the Filipino language. Torta is a popular Filipino dish consisting of an omelette filled with ground meat and vegetables, such as diced potatoes, savory and extremely satisfying. The dish is usually served as a main course, preferably over rice. It is recommended to pair torta with condiments such as banana ketchup. Pork barbecue in bamboo skewers is what Filipino-style pork barbecue is all about. It is composed of thinly sliced pork pieces that are marinated in a special mixture of seasonings and spices. In the Philippines, it is normally grilled over wood charcoal and dipped in a tall jar of spicy vinegar before eating. That was some of the traditional Filipino dishes that is famous in the Philippines. It is usually seen when there are birthday parties, gatherings, and other special occasions. Are you craving with it? So what are you waiting for? Go cook and try these dishes to be served on your table now. Thank you.